Welcome to part 5 of the 90-day video challenge. So in part 4, I went through how to engage your audience, and if you've taken some notes, then if you start using those, then really from here on in you'll start to engage your audience on a different level and you'll see things improve. So here we are in part 5, and we're going to talk about creating your video format. And a video format is really as simple as having a beginning, a middle and an end. Okay, the beginning is the introduction. Hello, I'm John McLaughlin.
Hello there, I'm John McLaughlin. Hello there, I'm John McLaughlin. Hello there, I'm John McLaughlin. Hi there, John McLaughlin here. Hello, I'm John McLaughlin. Hello, I'm John McLaughlin.
The middle is essentially your information, what you want to say to someone, and the end is the ending that you always have, your call to action.
We'll speak soon. Bye for now. I'm John McLaughlin. We'll speak soon. I'm John McLaughlin. Speak soon. So I'm John McLaughlin. This is Vicky. We'll speak soon. This is Regan. I'm John McLaughlin. We'll speak soon.
And if you look at things like game shows or entertainment shows or news, okay, they always have a format, and they have a format because that's what people like. It's almost like Pavlov's dog, where you teach people what the format is, you know what people are going to expect, and people always come back for more if they know they're going to get the same thing. So in this part 5, I've put a link just below. It's johnmclaughlin.com/practical video marketing strategy. And again, this is another article to one of my blog posts. This really takes you through how to develop a format. But let me just show you one or two examples.
This is your life. Now, here's your wonderful host, Ralph Edwards.
I'm leaving this theater now to surprise our first unsuspecting celebrity. Betty White, solid gold, golden girl. This is your life.
Oh, no. And nobody could play the part better because Don Rickles, are you ready for this?
Tonight, Rodney Dangerfield.
It's Dinah Shore. Dinah, this is your life.
This is your life. Oh,
My life. I'm Ralph Edwards.
Right.
Oh, this is my life.
$25,000! $25,000! $25,000!
Drive-by, Miami style, aren't they? So the question becomes, Alex, was the mob sent to draw us to the crime scene? Or sent to destroy it?
Fall 3 stories, get up and run away.
You do? You've got something to hide. Listen, I don't want you to worry about it, all right? Mr. Coleman? Because I'll be your memory.
So as you've seen from some of those examples, having a good format can really help your brand. It can help your audience and their expectations going forward. Now, the thing is, right at the moment, is if you're in day 1, day 5, maybe even the first month, don't let this stop you from creating your videos. The whole idea of doing this over 90 days is that you have an idea of what you need to do, and as you progress, day 1, day 2, day 3, the more you do videos, the less stressful you'll feel, okay? And your brain will have more time to think, okay, what's the introduction? Hello, I'm John McLaughlin. Welcome to the video. Okay, what's the meat of the information? Here's what I'm going to teach you today. 1, 2, 3. And the ending, there's a link somewhere on this video. Click the link and we'll talk soon. Bye for now. There you go. That's it. Okay? And that's what you need to do, is create your video format. So again, any questions that you've got in relation to this, you can drop them in the group or reach out to me for any information that you need.
We'll speak soon. Bye for now. I'm John McLaughlin. We'll speak soon. I'm John McLaughlin. Speak soon. So I'm John McLaughlin. This is Vicky. We'll speak soon. This is Regan. I'm John McLaughlin. We'll speak soon.
So all that leaves me to say is join me in part 6. Bye for now.